Hello, dear student. Welcome to the E-Pathshala, Department of Physics, Shri RLT College of Science, Akola. So this is a lecture number 1 in which we will discuss about the introduction to BSc final year 5th semester physics syllabus. Myself Shailesh Jaiswal, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Shri RLT College of Science, Akola. So in your 5th semester, as usual, there are 6 units. Unit 1, Origin of Quantum Mechanics. Unit 2, Schrodinger equation and its application. Unit 3, Atomic and Molecular Physics. Unit 4, Nuclear Physics. Unit 5, Hybrid Parameter. Unit 6, Feedback in Amplifier. The first 2 unit belongs to the branch of the physics called quantum mechanics. This is a sub branch of the physics. Unit number 3 belong to the atomic and molecular spectroscopy, which is also the microscopic physics. Unit number 4 belong to the nuclear physics, and unit number 5 and 6 belong to the electronics. You learn in the semester first many branch of physics like classical mechanics. You studied the laws of mechanics, Newtonian mechanics in first semester. In second semester, you studied about the thermodynamics. And in your third semester, you studied about the electrodynamics, electricities and magnetism, and the theory of relativities. And in fourth semester, you learn about the optics. So the classical mechanics, electrodynamics, optics, thermodynamics is the branches of the physics. In classical mechanics, you studied about the macroscopic particle, celestial bodies, laws of motion, etc. Thermodynamic, you studied about the heat and the laws of thermodynamics. And in the third semester, you studied about the electromagnetic theory, Maxwell electromagnetic theories. And in fourth semester, you studied about the optics, like reflection, refraction, interference, diffraction, etc. So in the similar way, in this semester, we will study about the quantum mechanics. This is a microscopic branch of the physics in which we will we studied about the microscopic particle. So the unit number 4, first, second, third, fourth are all belongs to the microscopic physics, and the unit number 5th and 6th belong to the electronics. So from the next lecture, we will start from our unit number 1st, Origin of Quantum Mechanics. So now we will discuss briefly the syllabus of this 5th semester. Start from the unit number 1st. In the unit number 1st, we will study the origin of quantum mechanics. The unit 1st and 2nd belongs to the quantum mechanics branch, in which we study the microscopic particle, study of microscopic particle. So in which we will discuss the historical background, how the classical wave theory fails to explaining the black body radiation, photoelectric effect, Compton effect, and etc. All other things. Then we will also discuss about the Planck's quantum theory, wave particle duality, matter wave, de Broglie hypothesis, concept of wave packet, group velocities, and the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. This is all about the syllabus of the unit number first. Is the origin of quantum mechanics. In unit number second, we will study about the Schrodinger equation and its application. The Schrodinger equation, there are two types. There are two of this equation: Schrodinger time dependent equation and time independent equation. So this Schrodinger equation represent the energy of these microscopic particles in time dependent and time independent form. And then we will also discuss its application, application of this Schrodinger equation. So in which this unit number second will discuss about wave function and its physical significance, Schrodinger time dependent equation, separation in time dependent and time independent parts, operators in quantum mechanics, eigenfunction and eigenvalue, particle in one dimension and three dimension box, qualitative analysis of potential barrier or tunneling effect, and simple harmonic oscillator. So unit number first and second is totally belongs to the quantum mechanics. Now the unit number third is belonging to the atomic and molecular physics, in which we study the basic structure of atom, then the complex structure of atom, then the quantum numbers, Stern-Gerlach experiment, LS coupling, and the types of spectra. We will also discuss about the X-rays, continuous X-ray, characteristic X-ray, and in the unit number third, the third part is the Raman effect. In the unit number fourth, this is belongs to the nuclear physics, in which we study the all about the nucleus, which is present at the core of the atom. So in which we will discuss about the detection of charge particle, GM counter, binding energy, mass defect, then alpha decay, beta decay, and the nuclear fusion. Okay, and the unit number 5 and 6 is belong to the part of electronics, in which in the unit number 5 we will discuss about the hybrid parameter. The subtopic is the low frequency equivalent of C amplifier and its analysis, biasing stability, thermal runaway, then the gain of amplifier, noise and distortion, etc. And then in unit number 6 we will discuss about the feedback in amplifier, positive feedback, negative feedback, and the many types of oscillator and the multivibrator. So overall, in your 5th semester syllabus, there are this 6 unit is belonging to the 3 sub branch of the physics: quantum mechanics, atomic, molecular and nuclear physics, and electronics. So first 2 unit is based on quantum mechanics, then unit number 3rd and 4th is based on the microscopic physics, atomic, molecules and nuclear physics, and the unit number 5th and 6th is totally based on the electronics. Okay, so one by one in our future lecture we covered all the 6 unit. This is your syllabus of the semester 5th, and each unit carrying 12 marks. So your theory paper is 80 marks and the 20 marks is internal. So total is 100 marks, 80 plus 20. So in that 80 marks, each unit carrying 12 marks, it means that 6 multiplied by 12 is equals to the 72 marks. Then the 8 marks remaining is based on your filling the blanks, MCQs and the one mark short answer question. So 8 plus 72 become 80. So your theory paper is on 80 marks and the 20 marks is internal. And the distribution of this 20 marks is as follows. So from this 20 internal marks, 10 marks from unit test, 6 marks is from group discussion, seminar, education tour, education activity, and the 4 marks based on your project assignment. So total 20 marks. So 80 plus 20 is equals to 100. So total 100 marks is on your paper, and this 10 marks of this unit test is depend upon your 30 marks of this unit test which is conducted by our college. So see here in this slide, the test with maximum 30 marks be conducted for the student, and the marks be allotted based on the performance of the student as under. See here, so in the semester 5th and 6th, if you get 24 and above mark from out of 30 marks in the unit test, then you will get a 10 marks. You have scored in between 18 to 23 marks, then you will get a 7 marks. If you score in between 11 to 17 marks out of 30 marks, then you will get a 5 marks. And if you scored from 0 to 10 marks, then you will get a 0 marks. So in this 10 marks unit test, it's based on this 30 marks unit test conducted by the college. Okay. So the student who remain absent for internal assessment throughout the semester, 0 mark will be given to him or her while posting the mark instead of writing AB for his and her name. So this is the criteria which is given by the university for the internal marks of this unit test. Then you have the 50 mark of this your practical. So the distribution of this 50 mark of practical is 10 marks record book, viva wise 10 mark, experiment performing at the time of examination is 20 marks, and the practical assignment is 10 marks. So total is 50 marks. So now this is a list of this experiment you will perform in the semester 5. Okay, so there are 21 experiment which is given by the university to perform in the college. So it is necessary to perform minimum 10 experiment in this semester. Okay, so you will see here there is a yellow mark of the about the name of this experiment which is not available in the our college laboratory. So to determination of E by M by Milken-Oiltrop method, then to study the Raman spectrum, and it means the experiment number 6, 10, 11, 12, 20 and 21 is not available in our laboratories. So except that all these experiments are available and we will perform in our which we will able to perform this all experiment in our laboratory. So among these 15 experiment, so this is 1, 2, 3, excepting from 1, 2, 3, 6, 10, 11, 12, 20 and 21. It means total is 3 plus 1, 4, 6. So from 21 minus 6, there is a 15 experiment. So among these 15 experiment, we will perform maximum 11 to 12 experiment in this your syllabus. Okay, so this is a list of your experiment you will perform in this current semester. Then now for that syllabus of your semester 5th from unit number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th, you can refer this textbook. So first you see the this textbook Kamal Singh and SP Singh. The name of this textbook is Element of Quantum Mechanics, which is available in our college library. So in this book you will get a first 2 unit, all the syllabus of this first 2 unit. The atomic and nuclear physics and the introduction to the molecular physics and nuclear physics, the 1, 2, 3. In that 3 book you will get a complete syllabus of unit number 3rd and 4th. Okay, and this book Basic Electronics by B.L. Thereja, in which you will get a unit number 5 and 6 complete syllabus. Okay, so this is a standard UG level books you can refer, and especially for your notes you can refer this about this two textbook of physics 5th semester, Amarati University Physics Teacher Association, and you can also use this textbook, refer this textbook or the textbook of physics 5th semester by Dr. V.K. Sevane. So about these two books you can refer for your making your own notes. Okay, so this is all about the syllabus or you will study in the semester 5th. So there are 6 units. Once again we repeat here, there are 6 units. Unit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unit number 1 and 2 is belongs to the quantum mechanics. Unit number 3 and 4 belong to the microscopic physics, in which we will study the atomic and molecular spectroscopy and nuclear physics. And the unit number 5 and 6 is based on belong to the electronics, in which we study the hybrid parameter and the feedback and amplifier. So from the next lecture, then we start our unit number 1st, the origin of quantum mechanics. So thank you very much.